Ang food cart sa atin orderin. Ito ang food cart. Okay, order tayo. Subukan natin mag-order ng food cart dito. Kung malapit. Orderin natin. Tayo. The egg with and cheese. That's a yeah. That's a bagel, right? Yeah.
Egg and cheese?
Yeah.
Egg and cheese, what kind of bread?
Bagel. Wheat.
Whole wheat?
Yeah, whole wheat. Yeah, whole wheat. Yeah.
You want for you?
And water.
What?
Tayo ng Fiji water. Yan, ito Fiji water in order natin. Yan. Pang pakyaw lang. Fiji water. In order natin is to egg and cheese. Yan, egg and cheese $6. Buffalo bagel. Ito yung food cart nila. Yan, food cart. Yan, food cart nila. Yan. Kapag gustong bumili, dito lang sa tapat. Ito. Sa Whole Foods. Yan. Siyang rice, parang walang rice, parang lang siya. Yung hindi dinner, parang breakfast siya. Wala siyang rice. Breakfast siya style, walang rice. Kaya kung gusto yung kumain, dito ka lang. Hintayin natin yung order natin ng egg with cheese. Yan, bagel. Yan. Hintayin natin siya kasi niluluto pa eh. Yan, para may pan tayo cheese.
Thanks so much, man. Thank you.
Food truck hours yan, Wednesday, Thursday 8 AM to 1 PM. Yes. Friday and Saturday, Sunday 8 AM to 2 PM. Yan. Close sila. You too, thank you. Kakain tayo na. Kakain tayo na. Cheese bagel. Cheese bagel. Cheese bagel. Cheese bagel. Cheese bagel. Cheese bagel. May breakfast parang lang. Amusal. Yan. Amusal tayo. Bagel with ano yun? Egg with cheese. Yan. Sarap. Hindi na pala dinner tsaka breakfast pag merienda na. Kapon na pala. Kalimutan ko. Kapon na pala ba breakfast tsaka dinner. Merienda na. Kapon na.